Introducing the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT, a sophisticated pickup that combines a 2.5-liter hybrid engine with a power-split electric CVT and all-wheel drive. This model is presented in a refined, carbonized gray metallic exterior, offering a sleek and modern look that is complemented by black door handles and LED headlamps. Inside, you will find a unique navy Pier and Aspen gray interior, featuring comfortable cloth bucket seats and a vinyl soft console lid. This Maverick is equipped with the 301A equipment group, bringing together a suite of functional and convenient features designed for your daily drive. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are heading out for a day of shopping at the High Street Shopping Center or navigating the local streets, the Maverick XLT provides a tech-forward and capable environment. The cabin is centered around a large 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen and an 8-inch productivity screen, giving you clear access to vehicle information and your 6-speaker AM/FM stereo. Convenience is built in with intelligent access and push-button start, power locks and windows, and a rotary gear shift dial. For your devices, the interior includes both USB-A and USB-C ports, along with multiple power points. On the outside, this truck is ready for any task, with a factory-installed spray-in bedliner and essential bed tie-downs. The exterior also features enclosed bed storage and a power tailgate lock for added security. Safety is a priority, and this vehicle comes standard with pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a rear-view camera, and auto high beams. The headlamps are also wiper-activated, ensuring visibility in changing weather conditions. For added stability and control, the Maverick includes selectable drive modes and electric power assist steering. A common question for those considering a compact pickup is how it handles smaller cargo and interior organization. The 2026 Maverick XLT addresses this with a second-row bench seat that flips up to reveal under-seat storage, providing a secure place for tools or personal items inside the cab. This is supplemented by the enclosed storage compartment in the bed, allowing you to keep your gear organized and out of sight. With its hybrid powertrain and all-wheel drive capability, this Maverick is built to handle the roads of the Fraser Valley with confidence. Features like the Easy Fuel capless filler and front intermittent wipers add to the straightforward utility of the vehicle, while the safety canopy airbags and perimeter alarm provide comprehensive protection. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.